How to completely remove Java from your system and also deleting its corresponding system variable. Actually, it is not that complicated. Go to control panel, then go to programs and features. Here you see Java. So this is the Java Standard Edition Development Kit, Java SDK. Select it and then click on Uninstall. Say yes. Open File Explorer. Go to your system drive, program files, now you see there is no Java folder here. Check also the common files. Very nice. No Java folder or file here as well. Close it. Close it. Now open system variables. Edit system variables. Under the Advanced tab, click on Environment Variables. This is for user. Edit. There is nothing. Under System Variables, click on Path and click on Edit. Here you see the Java path. Delete. Click on OK. Click on OK. Click on OK. Java version. Now Java is not recognized. Congratulations, you have successfully uninstalled Java from your system. If it was helpful, like the video. Check out my other videos on my channel. I have posted many helpful, useful courses, tutorials, tips, tricks, and hacks that can help you with your career, with your studies, with your projects, and with your job. Thanks for watching. Take care and have beautiful times.